This was supposed to be a farm, but there has been a long drought and everything has died.
My name is Samuel. I am 13 years old.
I live in Mijo village in Marafa. My community depends on healthy harvest to feed and provide for our people. The rains have failed many times and now nothing will grow. Still, we have to work the field to prepare for the next season, even though we don't know if it will grow. What else can we do?
It's very evident how the people who are dependent on the rainfed, their crops died. But the people who are dependent on micro-irrigation, the root drip irrigation intervention, like you can see here, they've been able to produce enough food for their household nutrition, and they have also been able to get surplus.
My mother is lucky because not long ago she started growing crops using irrigation. I help my mother growing kales, cabbage, maize and spinach after school. The plants look beautiful. Of all the crops, I like spinach because it looks beautiful and it is sweet.
What makes me happy is to see these children, when they go to their homes, they can be able to get some food to eat, and even joyous to even get some time to play. And when they go to school, they are able even to concentrate in their classes on education, not about their stomachs. And this intervention, I have seen that it has changed the child well-being, and they have become better so that they can realize their dreams and their passions in their lives.